Galaxy Z Flip 5 is personal. It's powerful and pocketable. We're literally flipping the script on the mobile experience, and we can't wait for you to try it out. Because when you hold the Galaxy Z Flip 5 in your hand, you're saying to the world, I am open to change. And that is what it means to join the flip side.
I'm loving the completely new design of the Z Flip 5. It's a game changer for when I'm filming videos on my own. The best part? I can personalize it. And with all the different options, I can always find one that fits my style. It's so fun to switch it up. My flip is always the best accessory for how I look and feel. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to be here in Seoul, and I can't wait to capture the beautiful city and all its people with the new Z Flip 5. Smile. I'm going to like some of my favorites. I love the new flex window. Do you like that one? Oh, that's cute.
So cute.
Thank you. Well, let's take it back to Amy to tell us more. Thank you.
The Galaxy Z Flip 5's all-new design introduces entirely new ways to express yourself. It comes with the largest cover screen on a Galaxy Z Flip yet. Combine that with an enhanced powerful processor and nightography, Galaxy Z Flip 5 completely changes how we capture our memories. It's a whole new era for selfies. Zoom in or out to snap the perfect portrait. Or select different aspect ratios and settings to capture memorable group selfies, all straight from the cover screen. You can also capture amazing videos, even on the go, because with Super Steady, the footage is stable and smooth. I'm sure everyone has had that experience, stretching their arm out as far as possible to get a group shot. With Z Flip 5, I can just set my phone down and the camera will automatically shift from wide to an ultra-wide angle, so everyone stays in the frame. And Galaxy Watches take the hands-free camera experience to another level. Snap photos, film videos, pause, and zoom, all from your wrist. The Galaxy Z Flip 5's rear cameras are enhanced with AI, which reduces noise and boosts quality. The result? Crisp photos and videos, even when you zoom in or film in low light. And with AI stereo depth map, bokeh effects are heightened to make your portraits come alive. All of these memories are great for personalizing the Z Flip 5, from videos to favorite gifts, and a wide range of styles and frames. Customizing your flip puts your personality on display. And we're introducing a whole new way to customize your flip from the inside out. Just pick a panel and voila! There are so many designs to choose from. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 unfolds your fun side, the side that's more expressive, more creative, and always unapologetically and uniquely you. Whether indoors or outdoors, you'll get a clear view of your screen, which automatically adjusts brightness for optimal visibility. The all-new design of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 goes beyond the physical design. We've also made it more familiar and intuitive to use. A quick swipe up gives you quick access to your credit cards, QR codes, IDs, and more on Samsung Wallet. You can also check your tickets or boarding pass at a glance. And just like our Galaxy Watch, you can swipe down for quick settings, right for notifications, and left for all of your favorite widgets, from weather to Samsung Health, game snacks, and even Google Finance. With a pinch of the screen, quick tasks are easily within reach. And we're just getting started. From hands-free video calling, to viewing, to capturing, it's time to flip your smartphone experience as you know it. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 brings everything you love about your standard smartphone in a compact form that fits in your pocket. Are you ready to join the flip side?
The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is iconic. With the new Flex window and amazing AI cameras powered by the same processor as the S23 series, it truly is the ultimate tool for self-expression. Like this selfie by Sydney. It was too good to keep for ourselves. It was too good to keep for ourselves, so we wanted to share it with you through QuickShare. You can download the original in full resolution using the link on our Samsung Mobile Instagram story. Everything you've seen so far has been made possible through relentless innovation and pioneering craftsmanship. Over the course of 5 generations, we have continued to push the boundaries of foldable technology, fine-tuning the groundbreaking science behind our display and hinge. The flexible display is fundamental to the foldable experience, and durability is crucial. Led by our team of designers and engineers, we set out to better protect the display by modifying it with a new shock dispersion layer. This makes the main screen stronger and more resilient. We also redesigned the hinge to feature a dual rail structure that excels in diffusing external impact and enhances stability and toughness. These updates to the display and hinge strengthened our latest foldables, all in a design that's sleeker and more streamlined than ever. It's a technological breakthrough, born out of our commitment to craftsmanship, and it paves the way for the next phase in the evolution of our foldables.